Okay.
Come give me up the check cashing place, bro.
Get back. Watch your foot.
Don't go in there, they're getting raided. Right now, get out of here.
It's not like it's cocaine or nothing. I understand if we were selling cocaine, but marijuana is nothing that's going to sit there and destroy your life. How you stealing from your parents and...
Newcomb and Sons is here, man. They must have the contract on drilling out safes. They're keeping them busy. Economic stimulus on the law enforcement side. Lawyers, bail bondsmen, and locksmiths.
I need keys to the van. You got keys? Here. Put me radio on.
Not the Costa or Squad. What's up?
I don't know. I thought it was one truck on it. I'll call. We're on right now.
Hey guys, go. We need to get out.
It's Eric.
Guys.
Yeah, I need stuff there.
It's in Pinole, guys. It's in Pinole. What? It's in Pinole.
No.
It's in Pinole.
Oh, looks like they're stopping it. I kind of want to follow them. Right there is a prime example of a waste of our resources while the SWAT team is here and they got a call for a much more urgent issue and they got their machine guns and then they just ran out. When I was in jail for my dispensary operations, from some other people, some criminals, I learned the best time that they love to go break into cars or rob a little mini convenience store and then take off on foot is during a dispensary raid. And they just love that. And I found that out even more. They said that's where all the cops are. And that's the best probability that they told me that they have of getting away with something is because 75% of the cops are all here.